Jai Hind everyone. Locus. First chapter of Maths 1B. Here you are supposed to write one 4 marks question. That is 1 into 4 marks. You will get 4 marks from this unit. Okay, locus. Locus is nothing but a set of points, a collection of points that satisfy the given condition. Okay, so let us see one example first. For example, in a plane, the locus of a point we have to find out whose distance. What is the condition? This is the condition. Whose distance from a given point A is 4. Okay, so I am taking a point A, and with distance 4 I am taking a point B. Now we have to find the locus of this point. That means we have to find all points which are satisfy same condition. That means each point we have to find out which is 4 distance 4 from this A. So here we can observe 2 points here. Any point which is at a distance 4 from A lies on the circle of radius 4 with center A. Yes or no? With this AP we can draw a circle, right? From here to here, definitely 4 meters, 4 distance 4 we have. We don't know this is meters or centimeters. 4 distance 4 we have. So each and every point on this circle definitely 4 units away from A. And conversely, every point on the circle at a distance of 4 from A. Each and every point which is 4 units distance from A lies on the circle. Similarly, every point on the circle definitely has 4 units distance. These 2 points we can understand. That means what is the locus here? Such collection of points forming a circle. That geometrical figure, okay, is called locus here. What is the locus here? Locus is the circle in the given plane with center A and radius 4. Let's solve one problem. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance 5 from point minus 2 comma 3. Instead of 4 we have high here. Instead of the point A, minus 2 comma 3 is there. So here I am taking a point A, and with 5 units distance we have a point P. We have to form a locus of this point P. Definitely this locus of this point P will be circle, right? So how do you find? Here the condition is, what is the condition here? Condition is AP is equal to 5 units is the condition. This is the known thing from this data. I am letting the given point A is 2 comma minus 2 comma 3, and the point on the locus I am considering P of x comma y. And now what is the condition? We know AP is equal to 5. So from this we can solve. What is the distance between 2 points? Distance between 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 is what? Under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here A means what? A is minus 2 comma 3. A value is what? Minus 2 comma 3, and P is minus 2 comma 3. P x comma y. Let us substitute here. AP is equal to under square root of x coordinates, subtraction of difference of x coordinates, x minus of minus x plus 2 whole square, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, that is y minus 3 whole square. That implies, which is equal to AP value is what here? Which is equal to 5. So x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, squaring on both sides, what do you get here? You will get here 5 square, that is 25, and square roots gets cancelled. We will get x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Okay, this is a circle equation with minus 2 center, minus 2 comma 3 and radius 5. You can simplify more. A plus b whole square formula you apply. X square plus 4x plus 2 square is 4, a square plus minus 2ab, that is 2 into 3 into y minus 6y, plus b square, that is plus 9, is equal to 25. So x square plus y square, I am writing plus 4x here, minus 6y, this is plus 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 is a required locus of given point.